In primetime news this evening, Christmas on a budget. TVJ News looks at holiday shopping on minimum wage. Waiting for justice. Levi Chambers laid to rest, but still no one charged in mob killing. And later, Clarendon Agro Park seeks to fill overseas demand for Jamaican mangoes. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day. There's Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before all that, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what has been your experience shopping for basic food items recently? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.